Hey guys. So, hey YouTube. Alright you guys, before I get started, let me ask you guys, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit the like button, make sure you leave a comment below. Today we are going through Virgin River Gorge. So let me show you guys this huge monstrosity. We'll put the camera over that way you guys can see this journey through Virgin River Gorge. And I'm not going to really talk much. I don't think. I might. There's a lot of construction going on through here. It's been going on for months. So this is going to suck when winter comes and it's snowing through here. But it's gonna be a slow ride, guys, so be prepared. But I just wanted you guys to see the terrain and how it looks. It's massive. And it's windy. And it's deep into the mountains. So once we get down into the gorge, you're gonna see that there's mountains hundreds of feet tall on both sides of you as you're driving, and you're going to go down into the gorge and then around and around and around. Like I said, it's very curvy. I don't care for the gorge. I try to do it before nightfall. I've been doing pretty good though as far as driving at night. Yesterday I drove from California to Las Vegas. I started my journey at midnight, so I got there at about 3 something in the morning. Actually, I got there at 4 o'clock on the dot. 4:01 actually. Shut down, did my 10-hour break, and got back up at 2 and got on the road. So now I'm gonna get this little piece of Arizona out of the way, and then I'll be going into Utah. If you guys have some tips on how I can speed up the video, like, you know, make it go really fast, please let me know. Because I'm going to try to do that in the videos that I have not yet posted, that I'm just doing driving. Because it could be a bit long, and nobody wants to actually sit there and go through the whole thing in real time. As if you're in the truck with me. Let me turn that music down. I don't want any copyright infringements. I'm just cooling out. It's Sunday. Listening to the OJs and a lot of my little songs that I like to listen to on the Groove on Sirius Radio. What I don't understand is there was a sign about probably 2-3 miles back that told everybody that the left-hand lane would be closed up ahead, and you still got people merging at the last minute. So I hope they hurry up and get their asses in here. Because like I said, I'm ready to get through this gorge, get it under my belt. look at this guy. Oh boy, I tell you about these four-wheelers. Now everybody's going to try to get in. Okay, after this white car, I'm not letting anyone else in. I'm just going to have to wait. Last time I knew, merging meant one, then one, then one, then one, then one. Meaning one car goes, then one car goes, then the next car goes, then the next car goes, then the next car goes. Man, that guy's short. He's like 5 feet. Well, no, they're all short. Alright, here we go. Getting a little bit of space going on. The best thing about this construction is you don't have to go through the gorge super fast, because I don't know, to me, I don't like going through it fast. But one thing about when you do the curves, you just have to know, like my trainer said, to take the high road, meaning ride the outside line. If you're curving to the right or to the left, if you're curving to the right, get on the right side of the line. Well, not inside the line though, you know what I mean? So here we go, going through Virgin River Gorge, you guys. Look at this. We're going through the mountain, the gorge. It is a spectacular sight. Everybody up behind me. Hey, little tricker dog, you looking at all this? Isn't this fantastic? This is crazy to have this construction through here like this. Turn the camera a little bit so you guys can see both sides of the rocks. See, now I'm kind of hugging the right lane, the right line. That's what it means to take the high road, the higher side of the road. I did this the first night that I drove. I did Virgin River Gorge, and it was at nighttime, so I didn't get to see all of this. So then after I've done it, like, I've probably done it maybe 8 times already now, but I've done it in the daytime. See, I'm going over to the other side now, hugging that other line over to the left to go around the curve. And what that does is it ensures that you're not dragging your trailer across the line. So anyway, I had done this at nighttime, so I didn't see any of this. And then when I did it in the daytime, I was like, oh boy. Sometimes, you know, it's crazy to drive at night, but sometimes it's almost better because all you have to do is concentrate on the road. You don't see all the intimidating mountains and stuff. All you see is, you know, the white lines and the reflectors and your lights and the cars in front of you. So, poo-poo. Trucker dog jumped down. She's like, ooh. So now this has turned into a 1-lane road. You guys can see that. And there's the river down below. This construction. It's about 12 miles of the gorge. But I think I was saying before, so when the best thing about, I think I may have already said it, best thing about going through here with the construction is you don't have to go fast around the curves, because when the construction's not here, man, those big trucks, they just whip around these curves and these hills, and I'm just like, dude, I think it says 65 miles an hour. I'm doing, or it might even say 55. Oh, it says 55, so usually around here I'll do 45 to 50. Always trust your better judgment. If you feel like, you know, you can't do it at the speed limit, turn on your flashers and slow down and do what you're comfortable doing. Because if not, I've always been told you can do it many times the right way, but you can only do it one time the wrong way. And then you'll be down the side of a cliff somewhere. So always remember that. And another thing about the mountains and the gorges is respect them. You know what I mean? Like how I said, the guys in these trucks, they zoom and go really fast through here. That's not respecting the mountains. And, you know, they go up and down the mountains really fast. That's not cool. That means you're not respecting it. Because if you don't respect it, what's going to happen is it's going to turn on you. Trust and believe every time. Look at this guy up here. He's broke down. That sucks. That sucks. Big time. To be broke down around here. You know, it's about to be dark. And that just totally sucks. There's no lights anywhere. And you're down in the gorge. I mean, shit, that's Amazon. Poor thing. I would be scrapping bricks right about now if that were me. So we still have a ways to go through the gorge. Let's see if I can show you guys this. See that? So there's we're driving through it. Maybe I can speed up a little bit and catch up with this white car. About catching up with the white car though, you know what I mean? I'm going at my own pace. Because like I said, now it's turned into a 2-lane road. At least I'm not on the other side where there's no shoulder. But I imagine at some point there's not going to be a shoulder on this side. Those cars left me. Oh, so now we're done with the construction. So now everybody's going to be whipping around me because I'm still not going to be going super fast. It's 55 miles an hour. I know they can't wait to get around. Like 48. Maybe I'll bump it up to 50. It's 55 miles an hour. And I wish you guys could see the river over there. See it? No, that's Virgin River Gorge. We're going to come up out of it in just a minute. Or that's Virgin River, rather. Look at England over there, broke down. Again, I would be terrified to be broke down. So there's just a little bit more of it. We'll just keep filming until we get all the way out of it. Proud of myself. I'm doing 55. Doing the speed limit around Virgin River Gorge. The curves aren't as steep as it was coming through the beginning of it. But even at 55, I guess, obviously, there's the cops. I guess I'm going too slow because, whoa. That's what I mean by taking the high road, because if not, you'll drag your trailer over the line. So you got to be very careful about that. When it's windy too, that wind will push you over there, so you gotta be careful about that.
Steep downgrade ahead.
Alright, we've got a steep downgrade we're coming up on. You guys know what that means. Low gear. First we're going up. We gotta go up in order to go down. Yesterday, I'm proud of myself, guys. Yesterday, I got in the trailer and I swept it out. It's not the first time that I've done it, but I don't like getting in the trailer. I need to invest in a push broom and put it in the back by my utility light and hang it up there and secure it with bungees. Because I just used a regular household broom and swept it out. But I was in a secure location. I don't know why, but my phobia is that someone's going to come and close those trailer doors on me. You never know. You know, people are very vindictive and evil. Some people. So that's one of my fears, that someone's going to do that. So, and then, you know, it's hard for me to get up in the trailer. I'm short, so I have to use a step ladder and knee pads. And I don't know, it just seems to me like it's a lot of, it's just a lot to get up in the trailer. So that's why I don't like doing it. So now that we're going up, guys, we're going to get ready and go down. And then in a minute, we'll be out of Arizona and entering into Utah. And then I'll let you guys go. Another thing, guys, make sure that you don't get hypnotized by your shadow. Don't look at your shadow when you're driving, because it'll definitely mess you up. It's funny because driving a truck, sometimes the road plays tricks on you. So you just have to be cognizant of that. Especially when you're going through the mountains. Another YouTube celebrity going the other way. Well, they're kind of celebrities, I'm not, but I thought I saw another YouTuber. I was looking at the truck and it looked a lot like their truck. A bit more and we'll be out of this. The mountains are beautiful though. I love all the different colors. About what I said about the mountains. Make sure you respect them and they'll respect you. And then also you only have You can do it right many times, but you only have one time to do it wrong. And it'll be your last time doing it. Also, you know, if anybody has any comments about, I have a question. I have the Rand McNally. I think it's the 780. I think it is. And this thing, it tells me to make a right-hand turn when you're on the freeway. It tells you all kinds of stuff, and then all these Walmart logos pop up. And I do love all the stuff that it does do, but it does some crazy stuff too. So if anybody has any tips for me to figure out what the hell is going on with this Rand McNally, I would appreciate it. Please let me know if you have that same one. I actually have the one that's the tablet, which I do really like because it's got the dash cam on it. It's got, you know, where you can download apps. It's just like a computer. You can watch movies. It's just like a tablet, like a 2-in-1. It's just like having a Samsung Galaxy Tab or an iPad. So I do like that part of it. You do have to have Wi-Fi in order to make that work, but I have a mobile hotspot, so I'm pretty cool there. So in a moment we'll be crossing over into Utah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. So the speed limit has gone back up to 65, but I'm still not comfortable. Well, it's 55 around this curve. Oh, it's still 55. Okay. I was gonna say I'm not comfortable going 65 around these curves. I'm just trying to get my butt to Utah. Shoot, I gotta deliver at 23:59, which is 11:59. So I got a ways to go. Probably about 6 hours. 374 miles. Little less than 6 hours. But I stopped to take a break, so about 6 hours. Okay, the speed limit has, no, it hasn't gone back up, but it will in a minute. Alright guys, so that's it for Virgin River Gorge. Like I said, please make sure that you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell notification, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any answers for me about the Rand McNally question that I asked, or about Swift in general, or driving a truck, or whatever I can help you with. Please don't hesitate to ask. Alright, so Diesel Diva signing off. You guys make sure you stay between the white lines. Have a good evening and be blessed. Peace.